Hi there, my name is Lucas and I'm a customer specialist here at Walser Nissan Burnsville. All right, so today we'll be looking at the new 2022 Nissan Rogue. Was just redesigned in 2021, but in 2022, we have a new engine. So now we'll have a 1.5 liter, 3-cylinder turbocharged engine, very similar to what we've had in the VC Turbo on the Altima. Still gonna have the CVT, all-wheel drive drivetrain that's available on the Rogue. And one of the biggest things you'll notice right away is we have new badging. So you'll find that on the grille, the wheels, the key fob, inside the vehicle, all over the place. Still plenty of chrome accenting, LED headlight, high beams and low beams. And then we still have our camera up at the windshield and underneath the logo for all of our safety features, which are now standard on the Rogue. So Safety Shield 360, as Nissan likes to call it, will be responsible for our automatic emergency braking in the front and the rear, blind spot warning, lane departure warning, all that good stuff. So wrap around here for the wheels. Like I said, we got the new logo inside the base of the wheel, and then these are gonna be our 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Moving along the side, you'll notice, just like we had in 2021, we have the keyless entry buttons on all 4 doors. So when we remote start it, and we have that intelligent climate control that heats and cools the cabin to counteract the outside environment and make it comfortable on the inside, we can unlock and lock the vehicle with the push of that button as long as the key fob's in range. Got our LED turn indicators on the back there, so people know where we're going. And then on higher trim levels, we'll get the intelligent around view monitor, which will give us the bird's eye view of the vehicle and see where we're at in our parking space. And those will be mounted underneath the side view mirrors as well. Moving to the back, this is the SV, so this will come with the manual lift gate, but you can get the SV Premium SL, which will come with your power lift gate and things like your motion activated power lift gate, so you can open up the trunk with your foot if your hands are full. We'll go ahead and open this up. First accessory you can see this vehicle has is our rear chrome bumper protector. So when we load things in and out of the vehicle, we won't damage the body. It keeps it nice and looking good there. We also have our rear sonar system there, those little circles. So when we're backing up, it'll beep to let us know we're getting too close to a large stationary object. But then peeking inside, we have plenty of space here. We got our spare tire underneath the flooring there, and we also still have that milk gallon compartment there. It's designed perfectly to fit something there, so it's not rolling around and damaging anything else on the vehicle. And then both sides will drop down if you need some more cargo space, and you do have access to the remote fold-down seat backs at higher trim levels if you want to do that by pulling a lever on the side to expand that cargo space. Close this up, you can see we got a backup camera, still got our new badging, new logo as I had mentioned. That kind of wraps everything up on the exterior. Let's go ahead and head inside and see what's going on in the cabin. All right, starting on the inside here in our center console, just like in 2021, we have that butterfly center console lid. So now it's really nice that the rear passengers can access that, and then one side can actually stay down. So if I have my elbow down, you can still open it and get in there if you need to. Moving up in front of that, we have our drive mode selector. So we used to have Eco and Sport, but now we have those two, as well as Snow and Off-Road, which are just gonna change the transmission and engine behavior a little bit to make it more suitable for the condition that you're driving. And in front of that, we got our electronic parking brake, as well as auto brake hold, which is really nice. So now it will maintain brake pressure without you having to keep your foot on the brake pedal, which comes in really handy when you're waiting for something like a train or you're sitting in the drive-thru and you don't want to keep your foot on the brake too long. We still have that new electronic shifter that they started in 2021. That eliminates the gearbox in the transmission. So now we have some storage underneath our cup holders here and that pass-through bridge style. So it'll stay in place just like so. You just forward, back, and it stays right there. Dual temperature climate control here. So now the front passenger and the driver can have a different temperature. So I can have it at 60, passenger can have it at 90 to make everyone comfortable and have it how they want. USB ports up front for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on our touchscreen up here, which will also come with Sirius XM satellite radio, and higher trim levels will come with Sirius XM powered navigation with Nissan. And then we got our advanced driver assist display up front right behind the steering wheel, which will give us a ton of information about the vehicle's tire pressures and where the engine power is going to the front and the rear, safety features, all that good stuff. And you can even get a traffic sign recognition on the Rogue as well, so it'll tell you what the speed limit is in the zone that you're driving. And one of the most notable safety features that we have on the Rogue in the SV is going to be our ProPILOT Assist, which is going to be our intelligent cruise control paired with steering assist. So we'll maintain a following distance when we have a speed set on the highway, and then we'll actually also help us steer as well, so we're staying centered in our lane and we're staying nice and comfortable the whole ride. All right, first thing to notice here in the back seat, the door is gonna crank almost an entire 90 degrees open. So that's gonna be really nice when you have, a dog kennel or car seat, things of that nature, to help kind of give you more space opening, so that way you're not trying to squeeze things in and outside of the back seat. So I'll go and hop in, just kind of give you a feel for the dimensions and the size on the vehicle. Keep in mind, I am about 6'1", 6'2", so plenty of legroom, plenty of headroom in the Rogue, staying nice and comfortable. We have our charging ports down here, so we can charge our devices. We can control our own vents as well. So if we don't want that fan to be blowing on us, we can close the vent or redirect it if you'd like. And then we got our center console armrest here. It will come with the cup holders for keeping our drinks here, as well in the door. And on the higher trim levels like the Platinum, you can get heated seats in the back here, which is gonna be really nice on the outboard side. All right, so this has been the new 2022 Nissan Rogue in silver for the SV trim level, with 9 different color options, including the new champagne silver metallic and boulder gray pearl. There are 5 color options for you to get a black roof as well for that tuned tone look. And this being the SV, you do have the available SV premium package if you want to add heated seats, heated steering wheel, things of that nature, as well as the SL and the Platinum above that for some of those other features like the heated seats in the back and more increased safety features as well. Again, my name is Lucas, and I'm a customer specialist here at Walser Nissan Burnsville. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Otherwise, you can visit our website at walsernissan.com. Thanks so much for watching.